Now I'm going to hit the gas pedal twice, turn it off, turn it back on. Alright. And I'll try the gas pedal trick again. Hear the clicking. Take the key out. And after a couple quick